Alrighty guys, we are here at the Preserve at Forum, the brand new, most central community in all of the DFW, and it's the only new construction community in Grand Prairie. Let's check it out. So guys, one thing that I love about this community is one, its location. This place is central to everywhere in the DFW. You have all the fun stuff only minutes away from you. You have Andretti's, you have Epic Central, you have Epic Water Park, you got IKEA, you got everything you could possibly need plus a little bit more in this community, and that is why I love it so much. So actually, let's go a little bit deeper into what you have just in this location alone. One of the best things about the Forum at the Preserve is its location. Let's take a look at the map and see exactly where this place is and what's all around it. So as you guys can see here, this is the Forum at the Preserve. It is a just huge area. I think this is about 63 acres, if not more. And there's about 75 lots, I believe. So you can see right here, this is kind of the entire community. It's a big square and it's right off of Forum Drive in Grand Prairie. If we zoom out, you can see you're almost smack dab in the middle of Grand Prairie and you're right in between Fort Worth and Dallas. Now, if you want to know just exactly how close you guys are to each one of the major cities, you are about 23 minutes from Dallas and about 24 minutes from Fort Worth. So if that's not central, I don't know what is. This gives you a perfect opportunity if you are going to be working in either Fort Worth or Dallas to be very central, and with traffic, these probably go up to about 30-ish minutes, but not bad at all considering, anywhere else in the DFW could be 30 plus minutes away from Dallas if you're not directly in the inner city. So this is actually a really great place to be. So if we actually go down a little bit, let's look at all the things that you guys have at your disposal within like 7 minutes, 5-7 minutes away from you. You have Bass Pro Shops, IKEA, Andretti Indoor Karting. If you go a little bit further up, you have the Epic area, whereas this is Epic Central, and then you have Epic East, I believe, and then Epic West is a little bit further up. So over here, you have First Watch, you have Raising Cane's, Blaze Pizza, Olive Garden. These restaurants are delicious. There's so many options. You also have a strip of shopping where you have Michael's, Ross, Home Goods, Petco, Burlington, and a plethora of more. Right across the street, there's Kohl's and there's Hobby Lobby. I mean, there's so many things. I mean, we love to try all the new places. If you go just a little bit deeper in down these streets, you have some more hole in the wall restaurants. Right here, you have ITSO Vegan. We've tried it once before and it was really good. You also have Marco's Pizza. I mean, even deeper in, you have Just Love Coffee Cafe in Grand Prairie. And this is a Grand Prairie favorite, and this is a really good spot to check out if you love coffee, if you love like cafe feel. And then of course you go a little bit further up and you have the Epic Central, which is all of the really nice things. Like I said, this is where you have Epic Water Park. This is where you got the Finch and the Door, Chicken and Pickle, where you can play pickleball. There's a nice like walkway right around here, and of course the Epic Gym, which is a huge recreation center gym, like all state-of-the-art stuff. I mean, this place has it all. And then if you go a little bit more down, so say for instance we're going to go this way this time, you have the Grand Prairie outlets right around the corner from you where you can shop till you drop, you can spend all your money, and there's also plenty of things to eat, dining. And then you also have I-20. Now I-20 can take you guys all the way to Arlington if you're going down this way. It can also take you all the way down to Cedars Hill / Duncanville area if you go a little bit further this way. So of course, right across the street, you're going to have like your Walmart, your shopping centers, Sam's, and then over here, you actually have your Target shopping center right in this little spot right here, of course, with a Chick-fil-A. So there's just so many things to do. There's so many places you could go. You could even take I-20 down here all the way to 360, and you could hit the lake if you really wanted to go and enjoy some Joel Pool Lake swimming or fishing, whatever you wanted to do. The amount of activities you have within minutes of a drive, even minutes of a walk, I mean, bike ride, whatever you want to do, this place has it all. And even if you didn't want to live here, I mean, investment-wise, this is a great opportunity. Now that you know how close that you are to everything, let's talk about affordability. This community starts in the mid 400s, and it is one of the most affordable communities because it is a D.R. Horton home builder. If you guys know D.R. Horton, they excel at making quality, affordable homes, and these homes are going to be their luxury series. Now that you guys know a little bit about this location and what's all around you, I have a treat for you. The model is now open, so let's actually go take a look at what these houses have to offer. Alrighty guys, we're here at the Preserve, the Forum in Grand Prairie. And as you can see today, we're gonna get the chance to look at two models. Right here, they have the Ozark, and then over here, they have the Zamboni. So let's go take a look at the Zamboni first, and then we'll look at the big boy, which is the Ozark. So guys, the Zamboni is gonna be a 4-bed, 2-bath, 1-story home with plenty of space with a 2-car garage, as you can see in these similar modern finishes. Let's take a look inside. Alrighty guys, so first thing you notice when you walk in, you can see is a very open floor plan. This floor plan is right at a little bit over 2,000 square feet. So you see over here on their left, you have your first and second primary bedrooms or secondary bedrooms, and your first secondary bathroom. And then come through here, you have a nice little walkway. Garage would be right here, which is the construction office. And you have your open layout kitchen. This kitchen is pretty cool because one, you have this huge kind of irregular shaped, what do you call it, island. And you have this breakfast nook over here. And then if we go down here, you can see you have your laundry room and pantry right here. And guys, this is plenty of space for a kitchen if you like to entertain. And then you got your dining area over here, your living room, and backyard back out there. This is the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom is huge. That backyard is a little bit smaller because we're on the model lot, as you can see. And then you also have your primary bathroom, closet over here. Huge closet with your toilet, and then shower with the shelving. Now let's go take a look at that backyard area. Alright guys, I don't know how well you can hear me. As you can see, the backyard on the model isn't that huge, but that's because they use up less space so they can put as much room as possible in the model. Alrighty guys, now we're gonna go in and check out the Ozark. This is one of the biggest plans that they have in this community. It is 4 beds, 3 baths, 2-story with a 2-car garage, and just a little bit over 2,500 square feet. Let's check it out. When you go through the blue door, you can get a great idea of how open this floor plan is. And right over here to the left, you can see that there's just kind of open space. This is where the garage would be, but of course right now they're using it for their offices. And if you turn right here to the right, go down this hallway, got your laundry room right over here, right across from the garage. And then you have your office area. Now this is actually a normal secondary bedroom, but it could be used as an office. Then you also have a secondary bathroom right here. And let's take a look here. Now right over here, you have your living and dining area. There's a dining spot right over here. And then you have your open kitchen plan. Pretty standard kitchen, but as you can see, cabinets do go all the way to the ceiling, which is nice. And your pantry right there. Also your living area. Really nice and open. Plenty of natural light. And if we go right through here, this is your primary suite, and this thing is huge. And if you come right through here, this is going to be your primary ensuite bathroom with a full standing, huge walk-in shower, his and her sinks. You have your separate throne room. They also do the built-in shelves over here, but once again, I think that might be an upgrade. If you come through here, look at this huge closet for his and her clothes. Even though, come on now, let's be real. Okay, now let's take this show upstairs and see everything they have up there. Look. come right up here. Have a little media room, game room area. Plenty of space to entertain. Do what you need to do what you want to do. And then as you come up here, we have 2 extra secondary bedrooms. Have one on the left. Very spacious. One on the right. Also very spacious. One thing about these rooms are, I know you guys can't really tell on camera, but walking them, they do have a ton of space. And you have a linen closet right here. Let's walk in. And then you have your last secondary bathroom. Now let's go check out the backyard. Now, one thing about this floor plan that I want to make sure you guys understand is that there is really so much more space than what it seems like on the camera. Like, it just feels like there's so much space to like just put your arms out and do what you want to do. So if you're thinking about a floor plan like this, I'd highly suggest seeing it in person. You know, if you guys want to see it in person and you're in the DFW area, feel free to hit us up at 214-444-3339. We'd love to show you a tour of this beautiful floor plan in this beautiful community. And you can see they're building a ton more houses over there. But yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for checking out the Forum at the Preserve with us today. If you guys like this community and you want to know more information, all you got to do is text us at 214-444-3339, or feel free to click that first link in our bio. We'd love to help you make the Forum at the Preserve your new Texas home. But until then, we'll see you guys next week. Peace out.